Hello, and Aquatic Sparks back. Sorry I've been away for a while. I've decided to make a start on the big boat again, the Princess 32. So I've stripped all the seat unit out here, as you can see. I'll be stripping out all the galley and stuff like that as well, and all the seating area here. But what I'm doing now, I'm just covering up this horrible fiberglass basically with it's a polyurethane garage floor paint, which is a bit like bilge paint really. It's quite tough. It's oil resistant and stuff like that, you know, and it just make it easier for sort of cleaning. What I intend to do when I've done all this, I'm gonna get some closed cell foam, stick that over the top, and then put a bit of ply over the surface and get ready. Probably what I'm going to do is like a full length kitchen. A bit unsure yet really what to do, but what I might do is put part kitchen and part like seat unit down here. So like, I don't know if I really need a full length kitchen in this boat really, to be honest, but it's something a bit bigger than the standard galley really, because I've always found it undersized. So yeah, so like if I go half and half, I guess, we'll have like a little two-seater unit down here. I'll see what I want to do. I've seen a few that have been done with full-length kitchen unit, and they do look really nice, but I'm thinking of the practical side really. So yeah, welcome back to the channel. Sorry I've been absent for a while. Hopefully going to make more regular videos again. So just you know, just trying to get things back on track really. So yeah, anyway, good thanks for your loyal supporters and stuff, and thanks for keep on following me. And if you've just seen this and you see, if you like where it's sort of going, then please like, share and subscribe, please. It'd be great. So yeah, so hopefully do regular videos. I'll show you this when it's all fully covered. There's a little bit there done in the middle, but I've done this on my little Birchwood 22, and it's really hard wearing actually, and it's quite a lot cheaper than bilge paint. I know you can get this epoxy, like these 2-tin epoxy stuff, but I looked, like 5 litres is like near on £200 I think. So I can get 5 litres of garage floor paint for about, I don't know, about 50 quid. So it's quite a saving really, and it is tough and durable. And I think, to be quite fair, I think quite a few people in the boating trade actually use garage floor paint and save money, you know. It's a good idea really, and you know, it's, as I say, it's hard wearing, so yeah, why not? So yeah, so I'll keep you posted, and I'll upload another video shortly when this is all covered. Hello and welcome back. So this is what I've been doing today. What I've done to prep this, I used quite a stiff brush. Had a lot of dust on the reinforcement beams and stuff like that. So I'll give it a good old scrub. Got all the dust and loose surface muck off, and then I use standard thinners to clean it all up, and also to degrease it basically. So yeah, that's a good sort of first coat. I'll probably go over it with a second coat. I'm going to take all these trims off here, all that, and then I need to do round here. It's a bit of a mess, so basically that's what it looked like. And then it's got this ply here, so I'll remove that and then do the same that side. But yeah, it's all sort of damp over the years. I'll clean all that up and then give that a good coating as well. So I don't know what to do with the ceiling yet, whether to do the same with the ceiling or recoat that with some epoxy. That's what I've done on my little boat on the roof on the deck. I just sort of went all over it with epoxy because I think over time some of this fiberglass can become quite porous. So yeah, I might clean it up. Garage floor paint, I don't know, or maybe you know, just go over it with a roll of epoxy, give it a good coat, and because it's always sort of been leaking this. And I don't know if it's where it's been leaking from, if it's the bolt holes for the rails or what, or if it's just, you know, just weeping through the fiberglass. I'm not too sure. I know gel coat can become quite porous over time, so you know, sort of leave a message in the comments. But yeah, I think it's, you know, for the first coat it's come up all right. So I'll go over it again, second coat, and I've got to clean all this crap up basically, remove all these old floorboards, what's left of them. So I'll give it a good old hoover in here, give it a good old clean up, and then I'll garage floor paint all this as well, and all under, you know, on the floor. So might as well get it done, just neaten it up, and then I've got a sort of, you know, like a nice blank canvas really. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll come back with another video on another day now. So yeah, again, apologies for not uploading regularly, but I've just had a lot going on in my life basically. So yeah, so anyway, nice to see you back, guys. Cheers.